Are you one of the people out in the world who assume everyone else has nicer feet than you do? Do you hide your feet because you don't want anyone else to see them? Did you know there are more people in the world who have not so normal looking feet and toenails than normal looking feet and toenails? And what's the definition of normal or pretty feet? I'm here to tell you that each and every one of you have your own version of normal and you should not compare yourself to anyone else. Yes, there may be things you can do to improve upon the appearance of your feet, and today I'm going to share a story with you about Jolisa, who not only traveled 4 hours to have her ingrown toenails removed from the toe bro, but then drove an hour to see me to have those same toenails manicured and have the optical illusion of symmetry applied to them. I hope you enjoy this reconstruction video and learn a few things you can do to become more confident in the way your feet look. And after you're done, be sure to go visit the Toe Bros YouTube channel for the ingrown toenail surgery. Enjoy! Well, because what happens is that when he removed the piece of nail, your nail walls, that nail grew down deep inside of those, but when you remove that nail, the nail wall kind of disappears. So see how this nail is just kind of sitting there and it's not curving downwards? It's because it's not growing from the base out here. So it will look normal. So you want me to shorten it down to about right there and then just put a protective layer over top so it's nice and symmetrical?
Yeah.
Is that our goal? Okay. Now the only thing with having the acrylic on top of your toenail is that you're not going to want it to get too long.
Yeah.
So in about 2 to 3 weeks you're going to want to shorten it a little bit if you can't get back in here to see me, because you don't, it's going to get in fall and winter, you're going to be wearing closed-toed shoes. You don't want it to hit on the top of your shoe, because any extra pressure back here could bruise your matrix where your toenail is produced, and you don't want that to happen. So we're going to keep it at a consistent length so it doesn't get too long. Hurdle relay anymore.
Oh my God. It's like the hurdle, what do you call it? Hurdle.
300 meter hurdles,
Yeah.
and they had like a relay, yeah.
We did that one time at our district. I think it was like some type of special relay. It was so fun. And then we did the
I'm going to apply the acrylic at the very end after I make sure that all of this, any dead skin that's adhered to the nail plate is gone. Before I apply the acrylic, I have to make sure there isn't any loose dead skin anywhere. I need to disinfect the nail plate and apply primer. These two toes?
yeah. It's like one of those is it's smaller than the rest. I was wanting to see if I can get it broken. It was like it's nothing that's gonna, happen.
Right, because you can't make it grow any
Yeah.
longer.
I don't know if it was short or whatnot. And my best friend in Virginia, she always said all my toes are even. I'm like, I don't think they're even. They actually look like little signal bars. Your little baby toe is bigger than your big toe.
That's funny.
She's gonna be the first person to see my feet. I'm a FaceTimer, which is my feet camera.
Are you wondering why the toenail has the two lighter strips on both sides of the nail? That is from the healing process. When the sides of the nail were removed, the extra blood and lymph generated by the body while healing made that area temporarily detach. But as the nail grows from the base, it will reattach. Now we're just gonna make it prettier.
Like when I had my they just never saw my nail like straight across, like even. It will always be like a slant. I used to be like, oh my god. It would never be
Symmetrical. Being symmetrical is what we're going for, and when you look at this toenail by itself, it looks pretty symmetrical. But when we compared it to the other toe, because the shape of the healed toenail was a little bit different, I decided that I needed to add a little bit more acrylic to the right side of this toenail. So I'm going to add a little bit more of that in just a minute. You always had pretty feet.
I just can't wait for them to grow out.
Hand in there. There.
I'm talking about like that's the thing when I used to get my acrylics like it didn't used to look narrow.
There. Now that is a much better shape than it was just a second ago. And you'll see when I do the second toe what I'm talking about. While editing, I decided I was going to keep all of the tasks of the left foot together and then all of the tasks of the right foot together. So I'm going to polish this toenail now, and then you'll see the reconstruction on the left foot and then the polish. And oh my gosh, did I not wipe off this brush well enough? You should never, ever, ever have that much polish on your brush. It's ridiculous. It's running all over the place, and I'm freaking out right now. But I have an amazing cleanup brush, so I just wipe off the edge and never rub it on your towels. I did.
like the devil. I told him, I was like, no, I have me a pedicure schedule. Like, no, I've been waiting. And I don't like canceling appointments either.
So when you went to have them removed, were they infected at the time or just kind of hurting you?
Just hurting.
I was trying to zoom in so close so you guys had good quality, and her big toenail got out of frame, so you didn't see me trim it off. But there was a little piece on the left-hand side of the toe that was detached enough that I felt that I needed to trim that off. Big transformations on toenails. They're so satisfying. It's like instant gratification. Some of you might be looking at this toenail thinking, wait a second, is that all the way healed? Should she really be getting acrylic applied to the surface of this nail? But it is. She did call Jonathan, the toe bro. He gave her permission to come and have this procedure done. And as I'm removing this dead skin around her cuticle area, that orangish area on the left-hand side, it's very hard and firm. It's like a scab. It's just that color because of the lymph fluid. With Jonathan and have him make all everybody's feet nice and healthy, and then I'll make them nice and pretty.
Yes. That would be great.
I don't know what happened to that portion of our conversation, but I was just telling her about how many comments I get from my viewers that do know who the toe bro is. If you don't know who the toe bro is, find his channel. He's got a lot of amazing content. He's a super kind, compassionate chiropodist in Canada. You'll like his content, so go visit his channel. But anyway, the viewers say that they think that we should have like a team office where he can make everybody's feet healthy and then I can make everybody's feet pretty. And I think it's a fun idea too. If you think other people could benefit from seeing this video, please click the share button so more people can find me and the toe bro. We're just two people in North America trying to help people with their foot care needs and to feel better about their feet. We wouldn't be anywhere without the support of our viewers, and we greatly appreciate your participation in helping us grow. So thank you very much. If you're wondering what bit I'm using, it's the Crosscut Fine Cone bit. And all of the tools that you saw me using today are available on my online store. So don't forget to check out the link after you're done watching the video. It's not getting hot, is it? The before and after pictures are coming right up after the polishing. This is her toenail before she had the ingrown toenail removed. This is the healing process. Almost healed. And then after I'm finished. And then the other foot. This is before she had it removed, the healing process, and after. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my channel. You can visit my social media sites to follow and interact, and I would really appreciate it so much if you would click that share button and share your favorite videos to help me grow my channel. Here are some other great video suggestions for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.